You never know when you might want one of the best hair clippers on hand. We've all had the urge to buzz everything off our heads right there at home, DIY style, no barber necessary, and many of us have even given into it. In this video, I'll share my top picks for both professional and hair clippers. By the end, you'll be well informed and ready to make the right decision for your hair cutting needs. Number 1. Panasonic Hair Clipper. We gave this a Men's Health Grooming Award for its prowess as a beard trimmer, but it brings the same power and ease of use to cut the hair on top of your head. 2. It's not the kind your barber uses, but if you're looking for a clipper that can cut literally head to toe, you can't go wrong with this one. The quick adjust dial gives you 19 length options without switching guards, and the powerful 9,800 cuts per minute motors can chop through even the thickest of hair with ease. You even have the option to use it with the cord or without, depending on your preference. Pros: can be used on any part of your body. Quick adjust dial makes head-to-toe grooming easy. Cons: battery life not as long as some might prefer. Number 2. Remington Vacuum Hair Clippers. Looking for something unique? Well, the Remington HKVAC 2000 Vacuum Haircut Kit offers you a better and cleaner haircutting experience than most of the clippers on this list. During a recent consumer survey on vacuum hair clippers, the Remington HKVAC 2000 emerged as a preferred choice for many. One happy user, Tim, shared her thoughts. "It's not flawless, but it has made my life easier with minimal post-haircut cleanup." The Remington HKVAC 2000 stands out due to its integrated suction mechanism that actively collects hair clippings into a waste container, making the process cleaner and more convenient. Equipped with 2 powerful rotary motors, the Remington vacuum clipper provides efficient cutting and suction. Its precision ground blades ensure a consistently sharp cutting edge. Despite its advantages, some drawbacks exist. User Jason mentioned, the blades don't seem to work on all hair types, resulting in occasional hair pulling, and the clipper feels a bit weak. Both the housing and the motor. Pros: has vacuum functionality, comes with adequate accessories, offers a decent amount of motor power. It's affordable, fairly easy to use. Cons: not very durable. Number 3. BabylissPRO GOLDFX Hair Clipper. If you're searching for a high-end clipper that looks and feels luxurious, the GOLDFX from BabylissPRO has you covered. According to Sunny Cambo, a barber instructor, the GOLDFX offers usability, durability, efficiency, motor power, sufficient runtime, and a very aesthetically appealing design. In my recent survey, many consumers praised the GOLDFX for its outstanding performance and stylish appearance. The GOLDFX features a powerful, high-torque, brushless motor designed and built by Ferrari engineers, demonstrating its outstanding quality and performance. It can effortlessly cut through all hair types. The GOLDFX also has a 5-dented taper lever for quick and accurate blade size adjustments, with a durable metallic construction to ensure longevity. Its all-metal housing protects against damage from falls. Pros: very efficient and powerful. Strong motor and quality blades, durable hair clipper, all-metal housing, sufficient accessories, intuitive click taper lever system. Cons: the design needs a few improvements. Number 4. Wahl Cordless Magic Hair Clipper. If you ask me, the Wahl Professional 5-Star Magic Clip Cordless Hair Clipper number 8148 is probably the best hair clipper ever made. It's stylish, user-friendly, and a master fading clipper. It features a powerful rotary motor, providing ample power and performance. Brady Adam, the barber from LA, says, its stagger tooth number 2161 crunch blades contribute significantly to the clipper's reputation and performance. These unique blades have variedly sized teeth, allowing for quick and efficient cutting. Barbers looking to work quickly will appreciate this feature. The Magic Clip's cordless design and 90-minute runtime mean you can complete several haircuts before needing to recharge. If the battery does run out mid-haircut, you can continue using the 8-feet-long power cord. The clipper is also lightweight and ergonomic, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Plus, it doesn't heat up or produce annoying buzzing noises during operation. Pros: very user-friendly, impressively flexible, powerful rotary motor, no heating issues, durable housing. Cons: its plastic housing makes it feel cheap, has very sharp blades. Number 5. Wahl Corded Electric Hair Clipper. The Wahl Elite Pro High Performance Kit is, without a doubt, one of Wahl's most premium home hair clipper sets. Wondering why? Well, here's everything you need to know about it. My consumer survey revealed that the Wahl Elite Pro is a standout choice among home hair clippers, offering a professional and stylish touch to the DIY hair cutting experience. There are plenty of home hair clippers on the market, but the Wahl Elite Pro outshines the competition with its professional-grade features. Additionally, this clipper boasts self-sharpening, high-precision blades, ensuring a seamless and comfortable haircut for All hair types, worried about fades and blends? Its smooth taper lever makes it a breeze. The Wahl Elite Pro comes with a limited lifetime warranty and a 5-year warranty for the blades. However, it's designed primarily for American consumers, so international users may need an adapter for their electrical outlets. Pros: powerful motor for a home clipper, impeccable performance, premium high precision, self-sharpening blades, grade guide combs. Very affordable, 40% faster than most clippers. Cons: it's heavy.